Have you been receiving emails from Salesforce telling you that you need to take action on the Winter 23 product release and have no idea where to get started? Great. My name is Shannon Gregg. I'm the president of Cloud Adoption Solutions, and I am here today to tell you exactly how you can deal with the Salesforce release notes. Okay, so we're going to start on this main page that says Salesforce Products Innovation Winter 23 Release. Each release will give you the same assets to help you with resources so that you understand what to do to update your Salesforce instance. Salesforce does release 3 different product releases per year. There's a spring, a summer, and a winter. The Winter 23 release is live now in October, and there are some really great things for you to find that will help your organization use Salesforce better. Okay, so when you first start looking at this landing page, you can see there are latest innovations and release resources. I want you to focus on the release resources. Once you click on that, it takes you to 3 different things that will tickle different types of learners. So you've got a trailhead trail for those who are kinesthetic and like to touch and feel things and try them out themselves. You've got a release in a box, which is going to help those who can influence a group of users to use the release the best way possible. And for those of you that love to read to learn, there are in-depth details on the Winter 23 release notes. Let's take a deeper look. If you get started on the Trailhead module on Winter 23 release highlights, you can see that there are Trailhead modules that list out different things depending on your interests in your Salesforce org. If you've got sales and service, you might want to swoop right over to there. Or if you're using Slack, or you're interested in communications, media, energy, and utilities, you can head straight to there. Let's click on sales and service. You'll find here that there is a Trailhead module that shows you the things that are new in sales and service. So you can see there are dynamic form enhancements, there are sales cadence screen flows, subscription quotes, and so on and so forth. Of course, as per usual with other Trailhead modules, you will have a little quiz at the bottom that you can answer and gain points, because we all know Trailhead is super, super fun because it's gamified. That is one way for you to learn about the Winter 23 release. There is also this magnificent resource, which is a bit modified for the Winter 23 release, which is the Winter 23 release in a box. You can use this as an admin to show your users, here are the things that are happening in this new release. I suggest you go straight to the table of contents slide, which is clickable. So if you're, again, interested in Sales Cloud, you can click right on it. It takes you there and it shows you with the icons what types of users this will be appealing to. And you can use this to demonstrate in front of a crowd of users the things that they can find interesting in the new release. Of course, there are ways for you to learn more, which will take you to additional help documentation, and that is super, super helpful. So the Winter 23 release in a box slide deck will be super helpful for you if you've got a big group of people that you want to explain the changes to. And then finally, for those of you that love details like me, when you click on the Salesforce Winter 23 release notes help documentation, you can find that there is on the left-hand side a really nice table of contents that you can find out how to use the release notes. Other things like you can click directly into analytics to learn about that, or you can find out a little bit more about field service, industries. It's all listed over here for you very quickly. So sticking with our theme of Sales Cloud, you can click on that and you can see all of the changes that have happened in the Winter 23 release that may be pertinent to your users. So don't be scared of the new Salesforce winter release. It has really exciting things coming to it, and learning what's new and what types of things your org may be able to take advantage of is going to be super exciting for you and your users. Thanks again for listening. My name is Shannon. I'm from Cloud Adoption Solutions. And if you need any help, we're happy to do it.